bafuna impendulo ezivela ku Reserve Bank ngendaba yeplasi likamengameli kungakho bayitlolela incwadi. Kanti umphathi we Reserve Bank uLisetsha uyavuma ukuthi uyifumene incwadi enjalo uthi baza ukuthi bangafumana umbiko opheleleko baphendule kodwa kwanje balandela umthetho wokuthi ayiphendula indaba engaphasi kwephenyo.
We get any report of any possible violations of control regulations, we engage with the particular party, I mean whether it is an individual or a company.
FF uthi kumnyama kubovu umengameli wenarha le kufuze aziphendulele begodu yena iqiniso uzalijamela nanyene selekuthiwa usele yedwa.
He's going to account. We are not scared of him. Neither are we scared of all the institutions that are protecting him, including the Oppenheimers. We are not scared of them.
Kaduno palazombelele we-IFP uthi njengamalungu weparlament bafunga ukuthi zonke imphathimandla eziphezulu kufanele ziziphendulele nakhibe izinto ziphume endleleni.
If number one of the country is mentioned, we have therefore an obligation to make sure that we speed up everything we can do.
Umengameli we-UDM uthi indaba yokuziphendulela ukamengameli ihabeke kakhulu begodu unathemba lokuthi iofisi likaSpeaker weParliament alikazi ukuyiriyadisa. Ngalokho-ke uthi uba uyimbika indaba ukuthi zisolo ziyiphose ilihlo indaba le.
I would appeal to the media to watch the process from now on, because the independent panel we have been given up until beginning of September to submit names.
I-ACDP ithi akekho umuntu ongaphezulu komthetho eSouth Africa begodu abafuna ukuthi ngelinye ilanga bazifumane baphendula imibuzo yokuthi bamliselana umengameli angaziphenduleli.
We do not want under our watch as opposition political parties to be accused of not holding the executive or the president for that matter to account.
Ithi ibuya kude khulu begodu yafunga ukuthi angeze yavumela umuntu aphule umthetho baqalile.
We will not allow for this kind of practice to continue.
Iinhlangano ye-ATM ithi nangathana bekumuntu kwaphela weSouth Africa pha owenze njengomengameli ngakade athathelwa amagadango.
We are dealing with a person that is highly protected by the institutions. That is why even the Hawks or NPA can't even outright state that they are investigating Ramaphosa.
Nanyana kunjalo uthi njengamalungu weParlament bazoqinisekisa ukuthi umengameli uyaziphendulela begodu lokho abakwenzile iParlament nomthetho kwaphela kodwa benzela amaSouth Africa wonke. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze SABC eAuckland Park eJwanisbhege.